So today I'm going to start by making some chocolate brownies. In a bowl I've already whisked up 3 eggs with 275 grams of sugar to fluffy peaks. So you want it to be ribbon stage almost. So when you do that, it lays down on it and creates ribbons. So to that I'm going to add 185 grams of melted milk chocolate and 185 grams butter, sorry. And then I'll add this slowly to the egg mix. I'll allow it to slightly cool. And then I'll just add that in. Not too fast, not too slow. I'm going to whisk the eggs and sugar up so you can really get a nice bit of volume in there. I'll just make sure that's fully incorporated. And then your mix should look like that. Just make sure you've got right at the bottom of the bowl. And then to that I'm going to add 85 grams of plain flour and 45 grams of cocoa powder that's been sifted. And then mix that in. There we go. And then we'll take our lime tray, we'll add 50 grams of white chocolate and 50 grams of dark chocolate to our brownie mix. And then we'll just incorporate that. And then empty the mix into a tray. Get a little chocolatey goodness off. Lick the bowl with it when you're finished if you fancy. And then we'll put that in the oven at 160 degrees for 26 minutes. And then it'll be a nice fudgy centre. If you want it to be baked more, you can put it in for 35 minutes, well 30 minutes, and it'll just cook it that wee bit more and it won't be as fudgy though.